be the last day of the monsoon session, and that is why the INDIA bloc is continuing its protest. Today too it's expected that the SIR storm will dominate. Over the last few days, you've seen how the government has accused the opposition of deliberately stalling the proceedings of the House, not allowing debate. The government has also given out a list of the bills that were, passed amid all the disruption, and also the bills that were returned by the Rajya Sabha. They spoke about the bills amid all the disruption and the fact that the opposition is telling the government that the government doesn't want to allow a debate. There's a back and forth that has been on. On the last day too, we're expecting fiery protests to take place on the issue of the special intensive revision of electoral rolls. My colleague Pragya is with us. Pragya, for viewers joining us on this broadcast, on the last day of the session, what is expected? Give us a full lowdown.
There is a question hour, but also there are matters under Rule 377 in Lok Sabha, and also there's a special discussion on India's first astronaut, Mr. Subhanshu Shukla, who was aboard the International Space Station on critical role of space program for Viksit Bharat 2047. Remember, 3 hours were dedicated for this particular debate, but the opposition did not participate in that, and amid the ruckus, the House was adjourned. So this will continue today as well. Let's see whether the opposition participate in that or not, but we are given to understand that the opposition is going to protest on SIR issue again. The only issue that they protested apart from SIR was yesterday when there was constitutional amendment bill moved by Mr. Amit Shah, Union Home Minister, saying that all the prime ministers, CMs and ministers and cabinet ministers all will come under this draft amendment that is there, that has been passed, that has been moved in Lok Sabha, introduced in Lok Sabha, and has been sent to now JPC. Now, any constitutional amendment has to have a discussion, widely, and if there is no scope, then it should be sent to JPC, and this is exactly what the government did. Irrespective of that, opposition will also, have the nomination of their own candidate for vice president, Mr. Reddy. The nomination is at 11:30. But apart from that, there are many private members' bill. But we are given to understand because of the protest, it is unlikely that these private members' business will be taken up. And there are many appeals by the Speaker as well. Speaker may make that appeal today as well for the discussion on Subhanshu Shukla. But we are given to understand, and we spoke to a few MPs in the morning as well from the opposition. They believe that SIR is the issue that they wanted discussion on, and they will keep on protesting on that.
All right, so the opposition continues to blaze ahead with its one-point agenda on SIR. But let's also tell our viewers about what exactly happened or what exactly transpired in the course of the session. Union Minister Kiren Rijiju also hit out at the opposition for disrupting the parliament proceedings non-stop. While speaking to Group Editor-in-Chief Navika Kumar, the Parliamentary Affairs Minister said that due to the chaos in Parliament, there were several important bills passed in both the houses that largely went unnoticed. So there were about 12 bills that were cleared in the Lok Sabha and about 14 in the Rajya Sabha. So that was in fact highlighted by Kiren Rijiju when he spoke to Group Editor-in-Chief Navika Kumar. Going back to Pragya, if you could also tell us about these bills, because the government says that because of the disruptive antics of the opposition, because of their constant sloganeering, because of the, because of which the Speaker and the Chair had to adjourn the houses just moments after they would start, because of which the bills that were passed largely went unnoticed. Now tell us about these bills that passed both the Lok Sabha test and also that were passed in the Rajya Sabha.
Well, there are almost 12 bills that Lok Sabha has passed, including the readjustment of the scheduled tribes and assemblies of Goa, because this also changes, and there are many tribes who seek ST status, and this is this was a request, and this is why Travel Ministry moved this bill. There is merchant shipping bill, money for goods and services tax bill, very important, money for appropriation bill, national sports governance bill. There had been much of politics that we had seen because of the the federations and the in the sports, and this particular bill is addressing all those concerns. And there is anti-doping bill, which is very important to be passed, because we also wanted to host 2036 Olympic Games, and WADA had in fact requested another set of amendments in that bill, and that bill has to be passed. Income tax bill, which was sent to select committee, was reintroduced for the simplification of income tax. Taxation laws, in fact, was passed. Indian Post Bill, very important bill as far as the economy of the country is concerned. Development and regulation of mines. Well, there was IIM amendment bill setting up of IIM in Guwahati. Promotion of regulation of online and gaming bill, very, very important and very controversial as well. Many of the opposition MPs wanted to speak on that, but because there was a whip from the party to speak only about the protest in SIR, they took to social media to air their concerns about this bill. So these bills have been passed in Lok Sabha. Rajya Sabha also 14 bills, same bills have been sent, for extent and approval from the Rajya Sabha also. There are, except for the bills of lading bill, which was passed without disruption on the first day of the monsoon, almost all the bill saw the protest from the opposition party. And in fact, there was so much roughness and opposition didn't cooperate, is what the charge of the parliamentary affairs minister is. In fact, he said that this was the obstinate behavior of the opposition, that they all missed participating in such serious debate and discussion on several important bills.
Yes.
And these are the list of the bills that have been passed. These are all the bills that affect the common people directly or indirectly, in a manner that they would have gone back to the electorate.
Pragya is slamming the obstinate and the disruptive behavior of the opposition. The opposition says that they want a discussion only on the issue of the campaign that they've been leading, that is the campaign of vote chori.